We got the Deus one with a 9-inch low frequency call out here, and this Deus 2 with a 9-inch fast multi-frequency call on it. Some of the Deus 1 runners out there, people may be shopping around, looking around. I just show the differences, boys. That's all I can do. I'm in the GM Power program. Reactivity is 2. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and change the frequency on this machine. That's 11.7. I've got the ID normalized on this machine, which means that dime right there, for all practical purposes, in all these frequencies, is going to read 92. Now, that's assuming no masking, okay? There's masking there now. That old fall is there. All right, so this is 11.3 kilohertz. This is what you would see in a while, maybe over this right here. You see how low that ID is? 20 points low. All right. So we'll reduce the frequency. So now you're out in the site running 7.8 kilohertz. Okay, now you're 12 points low. That's a lot better, ain't it? Remember that, 12 points low. Now, if we go to a lower frequency, it will get better, 4 kilohertz. Okay, we're about 5 points low there, okay? I'm going back to 7.8 kilohertz. Let's say you're dead set on this is what I'm going to run. It does do pretty good in modern trash, better than 11 and 18 kilohertz, okay? All right, so you get that in your head. I've got this nail and nickel here. Now we're going to be turning that Deus 2 on. I'm going to show you what you get with that machine, the possibilities. Here's that old nail, and I'm still at 7.8 kilohertz, reactivity 2. You see that meter? So you're getting tone, all right? But you ain't got a clue what's down there. All you know is it's really non-ferrous. How about if I come over here? Okay, now remember that number right there. I can even move this nickel back here a little bit. Let's move her back a little. Let's move her right there. All right? You see that ID in that meter? Now we're going to leave that set just like it is. We sweep that Deus 2 over it. Okay. But over here, we don't get much there. Nothing telling us much. We can move that nickel even farther back here. How about right there? What do we get? What I'll do is I'll remove that nail right there. You see what happened to your ID? It jumped, didn't it? About 10 points. You see that? Look at there. Now we're going to leave that nail there. Alright, so you got to see the old Deus 1 with the low frequency call. Now I'm going to show this machine here in the beach program. That's all I'm going to do. That's what we're in right now. I will lower the disc on it. I'll even lower the sensitivity to 90. Lower the solid sensitivity to 1. And reactivity will bring her up to 2. The silencer's already at 2 in this machine. It was -1 on that machine. Okay. This is a beach program. Straight over that fall, 85, 86, and the old dime reached 94, okay? So we were low there. Okay? But we wasn't as low as we was with that machine in 7.8 kilohertz. What about this old nickel over here? Look at there. At least we get some ID. Okay, what about over here? Look at there. You see that ID in that meter? That's 61. Now, you remember what that Deus one was doing when we swept like that right there? All right, now I'm going to remove the nail. You can see the nickel by itself. Okay. So again, this machine here is more versatile, okay? You're getting some modern trash performance, and you're getting some iron performance, and it's not just detecting non-ferrous around a ferrous object. You're getting some, at times, not all the time, but many times you will see some reasonable ID on what's under the coal, okay? I hope you enjoyed.